Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of SEDG418, a 2014 Dodge Ram 1500 Laramie. 154,000 miles on it, bright white PW7, 5.7 liter Hemi, 321 gears. Yeah, smoked, she got hit. That's why we bought it. Like I said, bright white PW7, good condition all the way around. My bad, something happened there. Might have been a Mike Bear incident. It's all good. 154,982 miles. She still runs. We're not going to run it for long. The exhaust is broken. Driver's side power mirror works. We got heated and ventilated seats in this bad boy. AM, FM, and navigation radio working well. Hell yeah, brother. Oh, she's quieting down. That guy right there is going to be fixing about 6 to 7 manifold bolts on this thing. He knows it. So when you guys get this motor, Darren will have extracted those bolts with love and made it leak-free for you. Unfortunately, this guy did not get the same treatment. It engages gears. So we have that. Everything else seems to be working though. Power windows, like I said, up and down. She's quieting herself up. Just had to get a little bit of heat in her. Power sliding back window. Works as designed. Sunroof even works. Yep, my heated seat is getting nice and toasty, can confirm. Ventilated seats are working, heated wheel. Give it a second to make sure. Riveting content here, guys, I know. All right, heated steering wheel got hot. That is going to conclude the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of our 2014 Dodge Ram 1500 Laramie. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Watch out for whatever the heck this guy hit, because it did not end well. Thanks for watching, guys.